Funky Phil, what does ology mean?
Hey, I'm glad you asked, little Dimples D. Well, ology, when you see it in all of these science words, ology means the study of. So anything you put in front of ology is the study of that word. Get it? Do you get it?
Okay.
Okay. Like you like volcanoes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Or you scared of the lava?
I'm kind of scared, but does that mean that I can do lavaology?
Probably. I gotta get back to you on that one. Good question. Try to stump the teacher again, huh? Dibbles D, I tell you. All right. Well, anyway, I like volcanoes, even though I haven't gone to one yet. I think there's something in Hawaii. You ever heard of that?
Yeah.
All right. Well, sound more enthusiastic. Hawaii is expensive. All right. The study of volcanoes, lava, magma, and related geological, geophysical, and geochemical phenomena is volcanology. Can you say volcanology?
Volcanology.
That's good, but I wish she'd have some pep in her step. Okay. All right. And the next one, microbiology, the study of microorganisms. Do you know what micro means?
That means small.
Very good. The study of small organisms. Very good. Dermatology is the study of what? Take a guess. Do you know that one?
Derma.
Derma. What's derma?
Skin.
The skin. How you know that?
I know some stuff.
Oh, wow. I'm very impressed. That's why you're on your way to being an honor student. Okay, little Dimples D, this is the last one. Now, I know you're not going to get this one because this is grown-up stuff. A branch of biology, chemistry, and medicine concerned with the study of the adverse effects of chemicals, poisons on living organisms is what? The study of what? Sometimes we say people get on nerves so much today, it starts with a T-O-X.
Toxic.
Toxic. I knew you knew it. You need a little help. You got it. All right, girl. I got a feeling you're getting the A for today and the A for the year. You keep it up like this, you hear? Okay. Well, see you later, little Dimples D. All right.
Bye.
Thanks for your help and for listening. Bye-bye.